You a race fan?
Not me personally. I buy for a lot of other people though.
Oh. Froggy flip.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'll be a sport.
Man, that humidity's crazy.
Already. Huh? Yeah, that's the only one that's got the original signature.
Oh, okay.
From him, autograph.
Right on.
I'm asking $5.
Oh my gosh, too bad. Who got this Duke plate? I know some people in North Carolina like that. Oh, that is cute.
This is cute.
This other people brought stuff over here.
Oh, really?
I hadn't seen it, so I hadn't seen everything.
Oh, I can't pass up on frogs.
Oh, that is cute. That is cute. I don't know what she wants for.
2 on the top it says.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, I got 3 hats in this, so
Okay, 17.
17.
You want a bag?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
We got plenty of plastic bags we can give you.
I
Or
should-
paper bags.
I should be good.
Yeah, I wonder how many other people are. It's supposed to be a huge neighborhood too, and I'm like we're the only 2 out here.
I saw 2 more on the other cul-de-sac, but I've not been to the back yet.
Okay.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you. We'll be here all day.
All right.
And I just put you upstairs in me and that's room.
Oh, really? Are those the ones you're going to keep?
Yeah.
Cool.
What do you want to buy at this house?
I'm going to buy your video games.
No, you're fine. You guys come on.
Got snow globe.
You got a
Good morning to.
Yeah, it's like good morning. Good job, Fred.
We have people here. Here's the more device.
6, 7, 8. I owe you 32 so far.
Okay,
I'm gonna keep
perfect,
looking.
perfect.
Is this all the video game stuff you have?
I believe so. In
Okay.
fact, I might do another look around just to make sure that
Okay.
one got put in this box over here.
Sure.
Come back and Dad.
That's really neat right there. I like that. A little too big for me,
Yeah.
but it is neat.
Hello? Yeah, I think Ashley actually made that, her and her husband.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they had it in the kitchen, but it's,
Yeah.
this kitchen's just, it's too much, like you said.
If you had the room for it, that'd be really
Yes.
neat. All right.
That is my old dad's pillow, though.
It's pretty cool. I like the bandanas in there.
Yeah.
It's neat. I'm going to take it.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that 2? Is that?
Yes, I believe so.
So are you 34?
You got it, sir.
That'll work.
You really got it.
I got it.
Yeah, I like your wallet.
Oh, thank you.
Cool. It's like a video
He's got
game.
Yeah.
Super Mario on
I love
there.
video
That's
games.
Cool.
20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
so much. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Thank you for your help. Good luck.
No problem. You say bye and thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Good way to start the day right there. And just sold the John Deere hat for 250 bucks. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Fine. It's getting warm out here, though.
Man, it is.
Sell everything at fishing stuff over there for 60 bucks.
For all the poles and everything?
Huh?
For all the poles and everything?
Yeah.
All right, let me think about that. That's a good deal.
You go fishing a lot?
I don't. I have brothers that do though.
You a race fan?
Not me personally. I buy for a lot of other people though.
Oh,
I don't know.
you're a shopper then
I'm a shopper.
for other people. That's a good thing.
I like yard sales.
You a puzzle guy?
That I am not. No, I do not have the
You're
patience.
our age.
I do not have the patience for puzzles. I'm gonna grab this from you. Is that,
Got a pink?
It's yellow. It's got a price tag on it.
yeah, is it? I can't tell if it's 3 or 5.
What is it?
I thought it was 8 actually.
Oh, 8.
You got changed. Thank you.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Is that Chris's?
All right, guys, I just left a garage sale and I realized that I turned my camera off instead of on, which is a dumb move, but I picked up 2 things. I picked up this book set here. It's Through the Bible with J. Vernon McGee, volumes 1 through 5. I think that was $5. And then I got volumes 1 through 6 of Matthew Henry's commentary. I believe this was $10. So I've done well with sets like this in the past, so obviously if this ends up being worth anything, you'll know at the end, along with everything else. All right, next sale. Hi. Hi, buddy.
His name is Rocky.
Hi, Rocky.
Rocky, no.
It's okay. He just smells my dogs on me.
Rocky, one treat. One treat. Rocky.
How are you?
Hi. Good. How are you?
Good, thanks. I think I owe you 27.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for stopping.
No problem. You guys have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Thanks. Morning. Almost missed this one.
Doesn't have a remote, but
It does work though?
you can get
Yeah.
It works.
I'll grab these from you.
Okay.
I'll grab the TV for 15. So 21, 2, 3, 4.
15?
Yeah, that was at 15 right there.
Oh, all right.
Right?
Gotcha. I got it. 15 and 9 is 24.
All right.
Thank you much.
Thank you so much.
Grab the TV for you.
If you don't mind, that'd be awesome. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. All right, everyone, we made it back home. What a fantastic morning of garage sales. Just some really good stuff that I'm really excited to have found. I don't even think I have any buying regrets, which is kind of rare. There's I mean, there might be like one questionable item, but for the most part, I'm happy with everything I got. So real quick, let me show you what I picked up to resell. Let's see, here's those books that I forgot to turn the camera on. It's a set of Matthew Henry's commentary from the Bible and Through the Bible with J. Vernon McGee. I think I paid 10 bucks for this set and 5 for this set, and it looks like that I should be able to get somewhere between maybe 80 and 150 bucks for this set, and somewhere between like 80 and 100 for this set. So that was definitely a good find. I always look out for like these complete sets of like Bible study stuff, because a lot of times they do pretty well. At one sale, I picked up this Bearcat Scanner. I still think that says $3, but I paid the $8, which was actually fine because it's worth somewhere between like 50 and 70 used. This one's in really good shape, almost like new old stock. At another sale, I picked up these 3 hats. They're all like Tony Stewart NASCAR hats, but these 2 are new old stock leather hats. There's a black one and a white one. So I paid $5 a piece, which is a little high for hats, but in my head I was thinking like maybe I could get 25 a piece out of them. That might be shooting a little high, but they are new with tags, so we'll see. And then the last one is a Tony Stewart signed hat. It's not leather, obviously, and there's no COA, but eventually I think that we'll be able to make a return on that. At that same sale, I picked up this ceramic frog pitcher. It was made in Italy. I paid $2 on it, and I do see a comp for like $39.99 plus shipping, so that's pretty cool. Frog stuff just speaks to me, obviously. At another sale, I got this flat screen TV for $15. I don't normally pick these up, but this is bigger than the one in Elliot's room, and it's flatter. I figured it'd be a decent little upgrade for him. At that same sale, picked up another Bearcat Scanner. This is an Electra Bearcat 3. It was only $5, and I think that should sell somewhere between like 30 and 60 because it's in pretty good shape. The last thing from that sale was another set of York dumbbells. These are 8 pounds a piece. Unfortunately, they're not the rounded ones because those can sell for a lot more money. But I think even still, I could price these at around 50 plus shipping, and then like probably ship them in a flat rate box, and that'll turn that $4 investment into a pretty decent little find. At this sale, I got a few things. I picked up this because I had found a DS earlier in the day, so I figured that would bundle well with it, and it was only $2. A Logitech Bluetooth keyboard for $5. Mainly bought this because I usually try to keep spare keyboards in the house because they tend to go bad a lot, and I don't think we have any spares right now, so this will just be put up in case we need it later. Grab this new old stock Sony. It's an ICF CS10 IP. This is brand new in the box. Everything's still wrapped up nicely in there. Paid 10 bucks for it. I sold a used one of these not that long ago for like 30 bucks, so I figured new old stock I could probably get between 50 and 80 at least. This is the questionable buy I was talking about. It's a Fitbit. It was $10. I don't know enough about Fitbits to know what the desirable models are. This is probably not one of them, but for 10 bucks I was willing to take a chance. And then by far the most epic sale, probably one of the best buys I've made from one garage sale for a very long time. We'll start with the pillow. Pretty big Harley Davidson pillow. Looks like it might have been made from a bandana or something. Made in the USA bandana. And there's another one on the back. I think to the right person this could sell for quite a bit, but if nothing else, it's just really cool and I really like it. Attached to that was a bag of what I thought were bandanas. Actually they are bandanas. There were basically 3 big Harley Davidson made in USA bandanas all sewed together with kind of a backing on the back, I guess to kind of make like a sign or something for a man cave or a garage, I guess. I think it's really cool, but on the other hand, I know that right there is like a $30 bandana, and then these are probably pretty similar, so I'm not really sure how it's going to hurt the value that they're all sewed into one thing, but I think it's a pretty neat piece, and honestly I paid $2, the pillow and the bandanas, so it was a steal no matter what. And then also there was this little stack of gold here with these video games. I don't keep track enough with video games to really know offhand what something's going to be worth. I just know that no matter what, the price is right. There's a few things that you just grab no matter what, and Pokemon games are definitely one of them. So basically we have a knockoff Nintendo system in there. That's not the classic Nintendo all-in-one. That's like one of the Chinese copies that they came out with. So I might not do anything with that, but that was only $5. Then we have a DS Lite, which I normally don't get that excited about DS Lites. However, this one is in perfect condition. There is not a scratch on this thing. Has the charger, has the stylus. It's the Onyx Black. Paid 10 bucks for it, and I think that I'll bundle it with that case over there and maybe throw another game that I have sitting around, and I should probably get like 60 to 70 bucks, I think, just because of the condition. Then we have this amazing Nintendo 2DS. It's the Crimson Red Mario Kart 7 edition. It's got Mario Kart 7 already installed onto it. It was only 10 bucks as well. And then this one has the manual and the charger and the stylus and a 4 gigabyte memory card. And this I should be able to turn into somewhere between 100 and 130 bucks. I'm guessing like 120 or so. And that was $10 also. And then we have the stack of games. They were all $1 a piece. Lego Lord of the Rings, which is kind of no big deal. It'll probably get bundled with the DS. We have Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Time. That cartridge only is about a $20 game. We have Pokemon Moon for 3DS. Also, cartridge only is like a $20 game. We have Pokemon X for 3DS. This cartridge only is about a $35 game. We have Pokemon Omega Ruby for 3DS. This cartridge only is about a $40 game. We have Pokemon Diamond version, which is about a $70 game, 70 bucks cartridge only. And then lastly, we have Pokemon White 2, which is cartridge only, about a $120 game. It sells for between like 100 and 150 bucks, cartridge only. And now I know that a lot of Pokemon games are counterfeited. These look legit to me. I have no reason to doubt their authenticity. I'll test them out and everything, but I completely believe that these are all legit, and that price was crazy. This is basically about $450 to $500 worth of video games, and it was priced at $32, which I paid, and I was happy to do so. So get to those sales early, guys, because those deals are out there. These should all sell fairly quickly, I believe. All right, guys, so I appreciate you coming along with me. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.